Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are bringing you 10 bright and beautiful rainbow cake ideas that are perfect for birthdays, celebrations, and smiles. If you love color, this is your dream cake video. Let's get started. The first one is classic rainbow layer cake. A tall cake with 6 soft layers in rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple, staked with white cream in between and topped with colorful sprinkles. The next is rainbow drip cake, covered in smooth white frosting and dripping with rainbow color. Garnish with top and add a few candies on or stars for extra fun. The next is rainbow swirl cream cake, frosting with buttercream in swirl pattern of rainbow shades. Use a piping bag to create this magical mix of colors. The next is rainbow sprinkle explosion cake, a cake completely covered in the tiny rainbow sprinkles. When you cut it, rainbow layers pop out inside out too. So fun. The next is rainbow inside surprise cake. Look, smile on the outside, but inside it's a colorful surprise for a bright rainbow layers hidden under white frosting. The next is pastel rainbow cake. Soft pastel rainbow shades inside of bright colors, elegant, gentle, and perfect for baby showers or sweet birthdays. The next is rainbow unicorn cake. Add a golden unicorn horn on top, rainbow hair piped with buttercream and cute eyes. Kids absolutely love this one. The next is rainbow heart cake, shaped like a heart with rainbow frosting or layer inside. Great for celebration filled with love and color. The next is rainbow Oreo cake. Each cake layer slowly fades from one color to the next, creating a smooth ombre effect. Rainbow look, soft and stunning. The next and the last is rainbow bento cake, a mini cake with a rainbow pipe on top using buttercream placed in a cute white box, perfect for gifting. These 10 rainbow cake designs are full of color, creativity, and happiness. Which one made you smile the most? Tell us in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cakes Factory and hit the bell icon. If you like this video, share with your loved ones so you never and hit the bell icon so you never miss a colorful cake idea right here on Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching and keep your bake bright and colorful.